Most people reject the Trinity because they're trying to fit God into creature-level categories. They apply the logic of created entities to an eternal ontology and then triumphantly declare, one can't be three. Congratulations, you've just refuted a doctrine Christianity has never proposed. The Christian claim is far more precise. God is one in essence and three in personhood. And the only reason this sounds impossible is because essence and personhood are being collapsed into the same category. Here is the part almost everyone misses, including the popular Muslim analogies that circulate online. God is not a member of a genus. You cannot count God the way you count creatures. Created beings are instances of a type. Add them, multiply them, separate them. But God is not an instance of anything. The divine essence is sui generis, the unique ground of being itself. So the moment someone says, three persons must mean three gods, they've already committed the category mistake. They're doing creature arithmetic on a reality that is not a creature. Once that mistake is corrected, the supposed contradiction collapses instantly. This is where quantum theory becomes useful. But remember, not as proof of the Trinity, but as a sanity check on our intuitions. Quantum physics shows that a single undivided reality can require multiple complementary descriptions without being split. In Hilbert space, distinct vectors inhabit one state space. They are not identical, they are not separate substances, yet they genuinely cohere as one underlying reality. Even superposition exposes the limits of classical intuition. People panic when they hear one God, three persons, yet they have no problem when physics tells them a system can simultaneously require multiple valid state descriptions without violating logic. Why? Because some realities cannot be captured by single variable thinking. The Trinity is precisely such a reality, not irrational, not contradictory, but richer than the creature categories we reflexively impose upon God. So no, the Trinity is not Christians trying to make 1 equals 3. It is an ontological claim about the deepest structure of reality. Quantum mechanics does not prove the Trinity, but it does annihilate the myth that the Trinity is impossible. It reminds us that reality itself is often stranger, deeper, and more relational than our inherited intuitions ever allowed.